Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube tags and YouTube SEO. And in this video, I will show you the right way to tag your YouTube video. Best website to generate auto tags that can boost your YouTube video SEO without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular video right here, I want to rank it and boost the search engine SEO of this particular topic right here. So what we want to do here is to highlight the topic. Press Ctrl C just to copy the video title. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and navigate to a particular website whereby we can generate cool tag SEO that can rank our video. So I'm going to go ahead and come to the top right here and go ahead and open up this tab right here and visit this particular website for free YouTube SEO tool. Okay, now I'll get into this site. It's open up like this from the home page right here. Just come to the top right here and click on free tools. Then come down below right here and click on all free tools right here. Then it's going to open up like so. 50 plus free AI blog tools for bloggers, marketers, and business owners. You can go ahead and scroll down right here. So there are a lot of tools right here, but what we are interested here is to generate relevant tags for our YouTube video. Okay. Continue to scroll down until you get to YouTube tag generator right here. So go ahead and click on YouTube tag generator and it's going to take you right here, free YouTube tag generator, just like what you see right here. Scroll down right here and then click on here and press Ctrl V to paste the title of your video and go ahead and click on generate tags. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on verify you are human. So you have all the tags right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on copy right here. Then go ahead and go back to the video section right here. So what you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down right here and go ahead and click on show more. So once you click on show more, continue to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to tag section. Press Ctrl V to paste all tags right here. So from this section here, you can as well edit tags right here. You can remove irrelevant tags from this because this is an auto-generated tag. So for that, make sure you remove some of the tags that are not related to your topic. Like for this tag, this one here is not related, and this one here is not related. This one here is not related. Then we can review as many as possible. So once you review as many as possible, we still have more to go because we need to add about 500 words in this tag section and we just have 365. What we want to do is to come back to the site right here. Then here, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you copy more relevant. So like this, Google Forms tutorial. So I'm going to laptop. Okay, I'm going to highlight that. Then I'll press Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll come here, Ctrl A, Ctrl V to paste. Then I'll click on generate tags. Then verify you are human. Then copy. Then we have to go back to the video right here. Okay, then we have to come here, press Ctrl V to paste it right here. So we have excessive tag now. So we need to continue to remove irrelevant one. Delete this, 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 this. Now we have about 497 tags right here. It's that simple. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and work on our video element right here, work on our rating right here, and finally we come to visibility right here. So in this regard, you need to make sure you put your video in unlisted. This will enable YouTube metadata to generate relevant SEO tags that relate to your topic and the title. So by that, you can leave the video unlisted for about 2 to 3 hours. So after that, you can go ahead and publish the video. So in this regard, I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here. Just like so. So after like few hours, then you can come back to your YouTube video in the YouTube studio right here and take a look at the particular Right here, we have the video right here. Now, for you to publish it after a few hours, just come to these sections right here, click on here, and then go ahead and hit on public. Once you hit on public, then come down below right here and hit on publish, and the video live. And from there, you get more traction, more SEO boosts is going to be assigned to your video. That to rank your YouTube video in search engine. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.